Have DNG files from your camera or photo conversion? This is Adobe's universal RAW format designed to future-proof your digital negatives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and manage these Adobe Digital Negative RAW images. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for DNG file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. DNG files are raw image files using the Adobe Digital Negative format, an open standard for camera raw data storage. They contain unprocessed sensor data from digital cameras with embedded metadata, EXIF information color profiles, and optionally a JPEG preview, preserving maximum image quality for non-destructive post-processing workflows. Adobe DNG files use the TIFF EP-based format with IFD tag structures, storing raw sensor data in either mosaic Bayer CFA or linear DNG format. The specification includes embedded camera profiles, lens correction, data, XMP metadata, GPS coordinates, and optional lossy JPEG or lossless compression of the raw image data. The common standard viewer for DNG is typically Adobe Lightroom from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows lacks deep raw processing features, so full access depends on compatible imaging software. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your DNG file and choose Open With. Test with Adobe Lightroom first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If the DNG file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The reason for the error is almost certainly the DNG file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, opening in Lightroom. Open DNG files in Adobe Lightroom by importing them through File, then Import Photos and Video. Lightroom reads, DNG natively with full raw processing capabilities, including exposure, white balance tone, curve, HSL color adjustments, and lens corrections. All edits are non-destructive and stored in the Lightroom catalog or XMP sidecar. Next, editing in Camera Raw. Open DNG files in Adobe Camera Raw through Photoshop or Bridge. Camera Raw provides the full suite of raw processing tools, identical to Lightroom, including HDR merge panorama, stitching masking with AI subject detection, and advanced color grading. Processed images can be opened in Photoshop for further editing. Finally, using free alternatives. Open DNG files in free applications like Raw Therapy or Darktable, which provide comprehensive raw processing capabilities. Both applications read DNG format natively and offer exposure, correction, color management, noise reduction, and lens correction tools. GIMP with the UFRAW plugin also opens DNG files for basic raw processing and editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.